Hello guys, I'm playing an online idol. Just got folkrace, so I thought, why not make a video on it. Let's campaign. We'll do sandbox in a little bit. I had a bloop over there, tried it. Of course, I did not continue going because I want you guys to see my full reaction. But I accidentally had vehicles first on. So we missed the first tiny part, but I'd say again to another person to that. How to do that? Yeah, I don't know how to do it. Folkrace for newbies. I have all the most Almond Man's Farm. Oh, that's how I pronounce that, maybe. Get out of there quick just because that sound is copyrighted. I don't always worry about copyright. I have a small cradle. Because it's football. It might be also a big cradle. Like middle cradles. Get it right in the middle. So yeah. Yes. But this is room. Let's try to get ahead of you. Get into a bill. Oh, wait. That's my chance to get ahead of him. Oh, man. Wait, whoa, there's Lee? Oh my god. I might actually... Wait, doesn't look like this. Oh my god. What do you mean? Holy cow. This is annoying. Real annoying. How am I supposed to catch up now? They're like 100 miles ahead of me. How do I do that? Nitro boost? I have no clue how to nitro boost. How do I nitro boost? I have no clue how to nitro boost. That's arrow key? Oh, shit, could have told me that, buddy. I got no time to waste. Not at all. That's true. I have no time to waste. Get out of my sight. So obviously I'm done those because this is the second lap. Oh! Hey, at least my car didn't crash. So obviously I'm not going to do good for my full race. The vehicles are a little bit more durable, I can say that, so that's it. No, wait, did I go the wrong way? Am I actually stupid? I'm stupid. I am stupid. But no. I'm making it fast for you guys. You guys will not hurt me this time. Maybe you won't, who knows. Please tell me at least one person got held up. Not the best at racing, as you guys can see. Nitro boost! Oh! Whoa! I did what the game tells me to do, and it was a nitro boost. Get some air time? That'll help. Oh yeah, I'm cooked. Yeah, I'm cooked. Did I get any money? Replay, I would say. I need a replay. Because I did terrible. Alright, so now that I know Nitro and stuff, I need another replay, man. I did terrible. Like, what do you mean? So it's a little bit harder than I expected. But it's better than the hacked vehicles, let's be honest. Because then you can only play Dolby. This can also be a waste too. I love Dolby, and I think the Dolby will be even better. But why do I always have to start in the back? And why do they have way better company? That's my chance. Get up, get up. Wide one. Push him to the side, maybe. Oh no! Oh my God! I just messed up big time. Oh my God, ball! Watch where you aiming, you call. Oh, that cloak got left on a little bit. No. I'm terrible at this. I know. I can't do it yet. Well, so 1 out of 9 try. Okay. Oh. Wait. Oh, let's go, man. I just got hit by that train. Feel bad though. Feel kind of bad. But not really that. Oh, and I'm in second place. Let's go. At least I think. Dodge him. Dodging me. Oh, yes. Fourth place. Fourth place, here I come. Fourth place, here I come. I can do this. Oh, fourth place, here I come. Whoa, I'm winning. Fourth place. Oh no. Although I can't say fourth place first try, but fourth place. And like 3 tries. Oh, and my car's not really that damaged. I like crashed into a house. I said that outright. Fourth place. Sweet dolls. Let's go. $6,000. Oh, this was the last bucket. That's pretty good. Let's go to the garage now. See what we can get. $6,000 is pretty good. So I'm gonna have to turn that radio off because I don't know if it's copyright. No. Why do it take so long to load? Turn it off. I'm just gonna raise it up because why not? So I got that to sneeze. I shall always work it stuff. Alright. What is it? Pretty convenient thing and on wheels too. So can I just push it? No, so. Told you so! A big shot in no time. But maybe we should start with a proper rust remove. With a proper rust removal. Oh, so I thought it said remove. Removal. On that old thing, knock yourself out, pal. Workshop. My workshop's yours. Alright, so apparently I need to get rid of the stains. Skin. But this one costs 4,000. Oh, this one. I have enough money. Let me get it. Oh man. $300. Okay, whatever. Power button? Oh. Yo, I followed the key we need for proper paint jobs. It should be here soon, but for now, that's as fresh as your old ride will look. Wowzers. Look at my brand new car. Get out out here. Let me check that out. Yeah, I think I can just do this stuff. Oh, these are a lot less doable. These are a lot less doable. No way I want those. How they text me anything? No. Can you participate in the championships? Okay, let me get in the house. One more. Because these more doable calls, I have to wham into everything. You know. These calls are way more doable. I like that. More like real calls. Okay, now launch the classic heist and scream. Call shop. Coolio. I feel like I want to go with folkrace for newbies again. It's really fun. Wait. Why not? A new place. More fun. Can I have like a place for like non-newbies soon? But like I got fourth place. I was fourth place in the newbies. But you know. Elimination mode rules. After each time cycle, the racer in last place is eliminated. This continues until only one racer. This sounds scary. Okay. And why does it throw me off in last? Okay. I'm second to last. I won't be eliminated first, but I definitely get it. Oh, you're supposed to go on a week. No. Bobby, I'm sorry, but... Bobby! That was so close and so scary. I'm not winning this, am I? Oh. Yeah, but I'm toast. Let's replay. You should get it a second time. This map seems a lot harder though. After this, I'm definitely getting food. Love my engine. Look at these cars getting caught in the news. Fell down immediately. What Paul thinks he's doing? Hey, Paul! But I just took off like a doll. I think I can catch up with Paul. Ready? Come on, Pam. Alright, you need to get back up into the competition now. One, post. Can't move right now. Another question. I only have like 25 seconds to get back into society. It's not looking too good for me. Usually get on the second time. Well, that was only one time. I can beat Bobby. I think. actually kind of bad at this. I'm in trouble from outer space. They shot me, the aliens did, 5,000 times. Maybe I can get it this time, not die on the second time like I usually do. So I went down the second time from those 2 times. I'm focusing on Johnson. I'm focusing on what's up with I don't think the other guys have nitro boots. Oh no, you don't, Anderson. Oh, you don't. Go. Oh, I'm sorry. I better not waste this, man. I am terrible. Womp, 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 womp. I'm bad, but at least it gives me some fun. Well, these are different colors, that's why they cost so much.
other people kind of make up. Okay. I just want to make it loud.